Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to find friends on Facebook by phone number. Open up the Facebook app on the phone. Go into menu from the bottom right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Go into Settings. Scroll down to Your Activity, click on Device Permission. Tap on Contacts, then click on Update Settings. Choose the Open Device Settings option from here. Turn on the Contacts feature from here. Go back to Facebook Settings. Click on Search, then search Upload Contact here. Choose your account where you want to upload contact. Then click on Learn More from Upload Contacts. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.